Hello, Rina. I'm going to eat. Are you a male or female, Rina? You seem like I'm not sure, huh? You're a male, but you are using female name. Not sure though. I'm not judging. I'm just trying to think. Oh, it's my opinion. Hello from the other side.
Ulam mo, be.
Leftover. Yung nasa freezer. What's this? Pork. Oh, baka may leftover dito, te. Masarap.
Magsisigang ka na ako.
Pwede na.
Sinigang ka pa dyan sa Romon.
Sa'yo pa to?
Dito sa Romon. Makikikain lang muna ako.
Hello from the other side. Ay, baka malagit ka, te. Sorry.
Ha?
Yung lipstick ko.
Ah,
Sorry sa watch bars. I'm a small YouTuber.
be. Po.
Ay, nagkatap ka rin pa.
Puno pa. Puno na, be.
Yung monetize yung win ako eh.
Ha?
Na-monetize din ako.
Ah, nag-ano ka ba?
YouTube ko.
Ah, wala ka YouTube. Ilan na ano mo?
Oo. Ano po?
Madami ka na rin follower.
Konti pa lang po. Pero may monetize na kaming channels. Idadagdag ko lang to. Ala! Dagdag tayo. Para maraming pera. Konti pa lang po. Rina. Let's eat, Rina. Wala nga eh, 6 viewers lang. Where are the other viewers? Come on!
Uwi na pag na-monetize, no?
Ah.
Wag ano ka na yun doon.
Inshallah.
Vlog-vlog ka na. Okay na nga, vlog-vlog.
Opo. Siyempre, ano po, mag-ipon-ipon muna. Business. Tapos yung business, iba-vlog din. Yan. Mahina kapag ano eh, travel mga vlogs. Mahina ako sa ganun. Hello. It's like today. Your period. Sure, you're female, Rina. If I remember, you are a young girl, but your mom is with you while watching. Am I right? I forgot. Please let me remember. Indeed, it's painful. Yeah, you're young. Younger than I am. Maybe you can use warm compress. Please take care of yourself, okay? I don't know. Eh, yan ang saksak. Oo.
Paano yung ganun mo? Kasi yung saksakan siya.
Breaking my heart. Love you, changing. Nakikinuiti tayo. Let's watch VT. Ay, evening po.
Nag-ano ka ba ng mga plastic natin?
Ay, hindi na. Kasi hindi doon nag-operate yung sa Carrefour.
Lagi sira, no?
Oo, baga. Iniwan ko na lang doon. Kumain ka na, Che?
Tokyo.
Tokyo.
Looks like Raquel's doing great. It's a good sign. You know, after a breakup, it could be a little complicated.
Yes, of course, I'm glad to. Like, it really is extraordinary.
Yeah, certainly. I want what's best for her. She's well, her daughter's well. It's all good. Ah, turn the air.
No, no. Kevin just fine. Still a bit rough.
You didn't drink the coffee from the caterers, did you? That cracked too real loud.
Well, I did make that mistake. I had 3 cups and I had this. See, I had this problem with the cold. It's nothing serious. It's bacteria that. Well, I'm forced to use the bathroom more often than usual. It's really embarrassing, but I didn't want to have a bout at the crime scene.
Should I pull over?
If you don't mind, thanks a lot.
No, no problem. I'll pull in the next gas station.
Actually, I think it'd be best for the both of us if we could just pull over now. Look, right here. There's not there. Yes.
Yeah, of course. No problem.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, much better. You wouldn't believe some people. I'm ready when you are.
If I stay with you, if I'm choosing wrong, I don't care at all. Night is gone on.
Suarez, come here for a second. Pilar, I want you to examine Angel's car.
We already did that. Protocol.
And did you find anything unusual?
The most of the brake fluid were clogged up, but that's not anything.
It's not. But it could have been tampered with.
Could be, but it's unusual. Hoses get clogged. Parts can break. It's what happens when a car rolls over twice, throwing at high speeds. I'm sorry.
Wait. Did he say where he got the teaspoon that he had you look at?
No, he didn't. I have to get back to work.
Suarez, when did Angel go to Torino? Yesterday, right?
Yes.
It's possible that he found it here. That he got to this house before us. Or that he took it from the bar or from the pharmacy.
Raquel.
He suspected someone and he wanted to check it out.
Raquel.
Please.
You gonna solve anything like that. Only Angel knows where he got the teaspoon.
Angel, and the guy who's working on the outside. The man who's listening in on our private calls. The same guy that tried to kill Angel yesterday by messing with his car.
Just said there's no proof of that.
Angel found something. And that guy wanted to kill him. And he'll do it again if Angel wakes up.
What do you say?
Only this time. He'll walk right into the trap.
I was thinking about what you said earlier about wanting the best, for her again.
What?
Well, I don't believe it's true. If it were, you wouldn't be, fucking her sister.
Look, that's none of your business.
I'm sorry, but I think it is. When I heard the story, I thought, this guy is really head over heels in love to get himself into a mess like this. Falling in love with fucking your wife's only sister. But when I found out you were also hitting on your daughter's teacher, then I understood. The boy who's got his whole cocky in his muscles, some sperm was the disguise. What bothers me most is that it's a kid who has to see a psychiatrist when it should actually be you. Of course you won't go to a psychiatrist. You didn't even see how fucked up you are. Motherfucker? Who, me? Piece of shit. Get out of the car. I bet if I have to get out of the car, I'm gonna beat you so hard you won't know what day it is.
Get out of the fucking car.
You know what this is?
Mind medication.
Days of life. It's funny. A thing that's as valuable as this is kept inside something so fragile. Right?
I see you haven't taken Rosie lectures very well, Tokyo. You should think about doing a little more personal work.
I'm not gonna sit around waiting for them to kill me because we fucking voted. You can stay if you want, but you don't decide this for me or them.
That's great. Then go in peace. No problem. I'll keep you in my thoughts and prayers. I spent some truly wonderful days with all of you.
Tokyo, hurry up. They'll be in here any minute.
Berlin, tell us about Plan Chernobyl, or I'll break your entire stash.
No. You're really gonna torture me by breaking little glass vials? Oh, Tokyo. Ay. So mature about something, so childish about others. You should consider doing something more convincing. Cut off one of my arms, for instance. Of course, I'm so high on opiates that I might not even mind.
Denver, give me the gun. want you to tell me about Plan 2.
You don't have what it takes. You don't.
3, 2, 1.
What? Something you want to say?
Huh?
I don't give a fuck. You're going to get hurt.
Tokyo.
Ready for round 2?
Son of a bitch.
Round 5.
What are you doing?
We're playing Russian roulette in here, Nairobi. Come back a little later.
Damn it, Tokyo! Tokyo, you understand? What the hell are you doing? If we all get screwed now, it's because of you. Is that what you want? You're gonna fuck up the plan.
Well, that's obvious. You're on your own.
I'm fucking up the plan.
Oh my god, you can't, can you? You can't stop and think for once in your goddamn life. Fuck! Fucking brainless piece of shit!
I may be brainless, but your plan to go find your son is complete shit. What the hell did you just say? When did he last see you? How old was he? 3? He doesn't have a fucking memory. Shut your fucking mouth. He won't remember you. Shut up. He won't even recognize you. Because he already has a mother and a father. Huh? And those are his real parents. You don't know shit about it. You got that? What? I said you don't know shit. I know that his real mother was the one who abandoned him while she went out to go get some fucking pill and get high. I'm sorry. I can't hear you very well. No?
You have to get a little bit closer to the door. Or you know what better get? Why don't you just open the door and say it to my fucking face?
You fake bitch. I'm saying you lost your chance to be a mother. Admit it.
Stop it!
Hey, Tokyo. It's getting a little out of control, don't you think? You know?
Didn't you say no matter what? Well, this is the what.
Son! Listen! Get out! You're getting into deep shit!
Deep shit? Who cares? Everything's going to shit.
Look, forget about that Stockholm thing. We jumped the gun, okay? None of us here are doctors. Son, please. Don't blow it.
Should we go out?
No,
Maybe we can still vote on it if we just...
we already voted.
Come on, let's do this. Let's do this. That's enough. If this is the end for me, just shoot me. Come on, Tokyo. I'm dying. It's not like my future is one that you can actually destroy. But if you're trying to scare me, you better know that after you blow my head off, the only one who's going to be afraid is you. Because you killed the only person who knows the plan. And you won't have a fucking idea on how to get out of this shithole. It's all of you. You're playing Russian roulette. Do it. Do it.
I'm sorry. I got carried away in the heat of the moment. Please forgive me. Alberto. You're under arrest for assaulting a police officer. Don't move. Stay there. Detaining, assaulting a police officer. Takes Prince, lock him up. Sit, kid. I'll be back.
Rest in peace. Mucho valor me lo comer.
Rest in peace, Ursula. The quietest of the group, and the unluckiest.